What would you like to learn about BC? Perhaps there's a subject, a date in history, or a place in this province you're curious about. Well, thanks to the Royal BC Museum's Learning Portal, your questions can be answered. Veronica Cooper explains.
This is the Royal BC Museum's Learning Portal.
The Learning Portal has been with us now for about 3 or 4 years. We share stories of British Columbia as told through the work of the Royal BC Museum.
It is a land of spectacular diversity.
From the high alpine of the Northern Rockies to the tidal pools of the stormy Pacific coastline.
There's lots of videos, there's images, there's written articles, there's maps, there's stories from the people that work at the museum. There's also a playlist section of the Learning Portal, which offers visitors to actually create their own content on the portal and share their own stories about British Columbia. We've tried to make it as easy as possible for educators to search for content that they can use in the classroom to augment classroom activities. Much of the content in the Learning Portal is integrated with the BC school curriculum.
And now there's new technology to enhance a visit to the portal.
We got funding from the Joan and John Walton Innovators Fund to purchase some equipment to enhance our learning programs,
including a 360-degree camera.
So there's lenses on either side, and it'll take pictures from all around.
A gimbal to hold the camera steady.
You position the phone in the gimbal.
And a drone.
And we also trained 3 Royal BC Museum staff to become certified Transport Canada drone pilots.
Museum staff are excited to use this new equipment
to create more dynamic and immersive photos and videos that we can add to our online learning programs. And imagine that they're here in the exhibitions, like in our digital field trip programs, or actually in the collections as well.
At the Royal BC Museum, we are all learners.
Because BC is such a big province, and we have a mandate to reach as many British Columbians as possible, we hope to get out into other areas of the province and take more drone footage and then share that with our visitors.
From the field to the collections tower, to our exhibits, and now to your school, library, or home,
the Royal BC Museum strives to broaden understanding about our province and inspire curiosity and wonder.
You can visit the museum's Learning Portal through the Links tab on our website.
This Week in History, brought to you by the Royal BC Museum, bringing British Columbia's stories together.